Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the product rule of derivative. Okay, this because the product rule of derivative is also often used in physics. In physics, so I think I have to show you the proof of product rule and make you convinced the product rule of derivative. Okay, what's the product rule of derivative? What is the product rule? Okay, let me write down this. Is suppose if we have two functions, f o and g times together, and we want to do the suppose they are all function of x. No matter f or g, they are all both function of x, and we want to do the derivative on them and the times together and want to do a derivative on them with respect to x. So what's will the product will tell you will becomes the derivative of first function times the second one and plus do f times the derivative function of x, derivative of function of g with respect to x. Okay, this is so-called product rule. And this rule you should be remember this because it used a lot. Product rule. Okay, and this video I'm going to demonstrate you why it's become like this. So for to prove this, we just to back to the origin definition of derivative. Yeah, the derivative is just tangent. Okay, tangent or slope near a point x. So we just put everything together now. So actually, so this f times g during derivative is actually this. The x is close to 0, and then it will become like this. So it will be f of x plus delta x times g x plus delta x and minus f of x times gx. So why this will become like this? Okay, so that's because we want to do some trick. Okay, so what's the trick? Let me see. Let me see what kind of trick. Let me see. Let me see. F of x. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's do a little trick. Because this trick is kind of difficult. Okay, difficult to remember. It's difficult to remember. So that's why I need a little time to think about it. Okay. So the trick I think is like this. Actually, this trick used a lot in mathematics. So let us say let's see, minus f of x plus delta x times gx, and we minus term when we add this term f of x plus delta x times g of x. Is this correct? We will see. F of x times g of x. Let me see. Is this correct? Yeah, this is correct. Yeah, we use this trick. We minus this term, but we also add this term, and then something magical happens. Okay, let's see what magical happens. So limit delta x approach to 0. And this delta x. So this will be f of x plus delta x. Okay, and then g of x plus delta x minus g of x. Yeah, I think I did it right. And plus, let me go here, g of x and f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Okay, so I think if you are sharp enough, I think you already know the answer. Okay, delta x approach to 0, and let me just distribute something. Okay, we have this one, f of x plus delta x, and we just use this delta g of x plus delta x minus gx and plus g of x times delta x and f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Okay, so yeah, that's what I say is if you're sharp enough, you see the answer. What is this term here? What is this term? And also, what is this term? Yeah, remember that that's the definition of derivative. Yeah, that's the most origin definition of derivative. So this is just the dg over dx, and this is df over dx. So that's why we get our product rule. Okay, and then this is delta x approach to 0, so it's approach to 0. So what we get is f of x times dg over dx plus g of x times df over dx. So that's I think it just reverse. These two terms just reverse. Yeah, but that doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. Yeah, that's the rule here. Okay, that's the product rule. Okay, so this video just show you this product rule and how to prove this product rule and convince you this where this product rule comes from. And then in later you do the derivative of two function times two together. Just use this rule to do the calculation. Yeah, you don't need to have to prove the whole process again. Just use it. Okay, this just video just show you where this rule comes from. Okay, so see you in other video. I think I will do other calculus video for you for more understanding. Okay, for understanding more calculus. Next video, maybe it could be the quotient rule. Okay, so see you next video. Bye bye.